Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Hadin bakalami ka jing o jing nam bat ka jing persya ka bajur. Nakipait ba nongrep kiban sa syakta na ka jing bu thong jong ka sorkar jela bantay ya ka slempen mi boarding hakawa umngot. Ka sorkar jela menta ka sengi ka arpu henreu terik upnaya yong arjar arpuway kala pentip bamenta kala shim ya ka rai bakan bishar benya aswa bin pebin ya ki jing e baki nongrep ka tain dauki bat shnong pedeng kin yakendo. Bat hadin kanipat ka sorkar kan sayat syakmat bantay ya ka slempen mi boarding hapo kawa umngon. Haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri jong katanat sam boarding James PK Sangma ulaong. Baka project penmi boarding hakawa umngot kan kata shisha yaki kam jengok kai perthai ki balong ki slem ai kam ai jam yaki paitba henrai hakajo kapor ka sorkar kan satharu yaki lat ki lenti ban wengpat yaki niki jing e khnang bakan am kata yaka yo ka kot jong ki paitba.
At a considerable distance away from the tourist spots that are there, and these tourist spots provide a lot of livelihoods to many people, and that is something we would not like to affect. So but having said that, you know, the considerable distance from the tourist spot, we are hopeful that it will not have that kind of impact on the livelihoods in that area. And we want to be sure, and you know, when I say be sure, doubly sure that these kind of this project will not affect. So we will call stakeholders. We will make sure we explain the whole matter to them, and if their concerns are found to be extremely relevant and true, then we will take action. But again, I want to assure that we will not go ahead with any project until unless we have the 100% backing of people. And this is for the people of the state, and the power department is very much having that in our mind and considering that whenever we move for projects. So we will definitely address those concerns, and we will try to find out ways and means by which livelihoods are not affected. What we want to do is not have something like maybe in the line of a public hearing, but something wherein we reach out to all stakeholders and make sure that whatever their concerns may be, we as a government, not as a SIA, so we will do a separate sort of an exercise whereby we will make sure that the government addresses all those concerns which are there, apart from the fact that public hearing by SIA will continue.